guys, today we're gonna try this rainbow thingy. Okay, so let's try the blue one. I think it's blueberry. Oh, so satisfying. That's perfect. Let's eat it now. Look at this. Look. I just made it. Oh my god, this is really good. Yeah, it is. By the way, it's my friend. He's a girl. Let's try the yellow one now. Oh my god, this is so good. Can you tell them I'm going to with you? Shh. I'm pro in 99 nights now. I have 57 days. But I'm now my cousin. Hey yo! It's so good that my sister is pro at 99 nights days. Look how many days she got. This is my account now. Ooh. My sister's account. Let's try the red one. My sister's account is not mine. Can you show us? Let's try the red one now. I only taste the red one. It tastes real good. Bro, what did I keep taking the gem? So good. Yum yum. Last one. Is this strawberry or something, or watermelon? Okay, whatever, I don't care. Guys, before I eat this, you make sure you have to like and subscribe. And 3, 2, 1. I didn't see you like and subscribe. Better do it. You did it? Okay. That's it, guys. Bye.